Now, there's no reason to be broke in 2024. There's so many damn side hustles out there where you can make an extra $100 to $200 a day. So if you're broke, it's your own damn fault, because we all got 24 hours in the day, but it's up to you what you do with it. So if you got to get 2 jobs, get 2 jobs. Do whatever you got to do for your family and for yourself. On this channel right here, we drop so much free game. So make sure you hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and pay attention. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of trash, from junk finds to hoarder houses.
And we're your hosts.
I'm Matt.
I'm Julio.
I'm JoJo, and we're your favorite trash talkers and business motivators.
On this channel, we're all about turning trash into cash. Every day in the junk world, it's like a modern day treasure hunt.
So if you want to get inspired, motivated, learn how to make some extra cash, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Now let's get this money.
So today we are cleaning out a tiny home and we are going to make this much money. Now let's take a look inside. Now, leave a comment down below. What would you charge for this job? So this is how we are tackling this job. We're using snow shovels and we're shoveling all the stuff that's on the floor into trash cans. And as you can see, we were able to back the truck right up to the job and put the stuff right in it.
Now, when it comes to dirty jobs where there's needles or glass, I highly recommend these Husky gloves from Home Depot. They're $17, well worth the money, and they're really thick leather, and you don't need to worry about needles or glass or getting poked at all. Now, on this job, we didn't charge by the load. We charged by how funky the job was.
So keep in mind, when you are quoting a job that you think is pretty nasty, how much is the job worth to you? How much money do you want to make when the job is done?
So what do you think, Julio?
We'll get it done. I think like maybe 2 loads. We'll be here maybe like an hour, 2 hours.
Now, if you want to land more hoarder jobs, it's no secret. Make sure on your website you have one page dedicated just for cleaning up hoarder houses. And also make sure you network with realtors, property managers, and banks. So check out my find of the day. It's a Buddy heater, propane heater. And these at Bass Pro are like $89. I already have 2 of these at home, and guess what? Now I got 3.
So I did not know you had those. I don't know why I freeze my ass off every time you take me fishing at the ass crack of dawn.
Man, why the heck do you need 3 of those? You just need 1 or 2. You turn into a hoarder, man. You gotta calm down. No, I'm just saying.
One thing you never want to be known as, and that is a cheap ass hauler. Cheap people know other cheap people, and they'll keep you busy, and guess what? You'll be doing jobs super cheap, and that's something we'll never do.
Another thing we are doing is separating the metal from the trash. So we'll take the metal last, we'll save on the dump fee, and make a little extra cash.
Now, if you really know me, is it true or false? Did I want to be a trash man as a kid, a real garbage man? Leave it in the comments down below. True or false? You want to see the baddest in the world? Check this out. There's one of them right there, and the other one's right back there.
1 hour and 45 minutes, and the first 2 loads are done.
How's that mullet coming in? like it.
Hey, I think by October it's gonna be like this.
Oh, hell yeah.
If you're not recycling all of those things, you are losing money. There's glass, there's cardboard, there's metal, and there's toilets and e-waste.
Now, in the trash business, your main goal is every time you hop on that scale right there, you want to be as light as can be. So you're putting more money in your pocket.
So now we're back for the last load of metal.
I think we'll get paid probably like 30, 40 bucks for this.
So 2.5 hours later, and we're headed to the next one.
We hopping in the OG truck with my favorite vato that loves tacos. Now, people always ask, how do you get your phone to ring so much? It ain't no secret. You gotta do everything. You gotta post on Craigslist. You gotta post on Facebook. You gotta have a website. You gotta be on every single free platform out there. You gotta shake hands and kiss babies, meet people, and pass out business cards every single day. It's gonna be a 24/7 hustle, especially when you start a business. Every single day, you're out there hustling, meeting people, shaking hands, doing whatever you gotta do to get your business and brand out there.
And just like that, 10 minutes later, job is complete.
Now, JoJo, how much money do you think we'll get for all this scrap metal back there? I'm gonna let you go first.
I'm going to say $23.
$23. I'm gonna say $17.94. So let's find out.
So we made $15 off the metal.
And just like that, it is 12:30. We made that much money, and there's no reason to be broke in 2024 with all these side hustles out there that you can make that extra cash. I know if I was broke as hell right now, I would have 2 or 3 jobs. I'll be out there trying to make shit happen. It's up to you. Don't make no excuses. Look in the mirror and make a change for yourself and for your family. We started this business with a pickup truck.
Yeah, and all the jobs that you've seen us do today, we could have done with our pickup truck, because that is exactly how we started.
Now, if you go back like 4 years through our YouTube videos, you'll see us living in an apartment complex, picking up trash with just a pickup truck, and then a utility trailer, and then finally a dump trailer. We had people leaving comments saying, you ain't making no money. And then 4 years later, guess what? We bought a house. I went from homeless to a homeowner in 4 years in the trash business, and owning my own business changed my life, and it can change yours too.
So if you haven't yet, hit the like and subscribe button so we can show you more ways on you starting your own business
and making more money. And remember, me and the JoJo, we love all you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.